Happy motherfucking Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever fucking day this is, Thursday. I'm over here at these brown trucks, getting them fixed up. The first one they had me look at was down the way. They said coolant's mixing, or oil's mixing into the coolant. Ran the unit, didn't find it building excessive pressure. So I recommended them pulling the oil cooler out and basically pressure testing it, make sure there's no leaks in the oil cooler, which there probably is. Oil is generally a higher pressure than coolant, so that could be the issue. This other unit here, which I just royally fucked my back up. Alright, sorry about that. Customer came walking up, the foreman of the shop. Yeah, I fucked my back up really bad. So I'm gonna show you the piece we got to change here. So this here is your body mount for the front end. The back is going to be airbag and shock with the stabilizer bar. So this is the one that came out of it. See, it's just kind of floppy doppy in there, but you got to take this little inside fender piece off. This is where I found my back at. So we got the other side to do. Still waiting to get the bushing. It's coming from the supplier, the manufacturer, whoever, but it's right back in there. So we got to get this little piece off, just 3 little bolts. It comes right off, and then we can get that bushing out and get ready to set the new one. So y'all hang in there with me. It's a little warm today. It's like 170 outside, I think, 180. So I'll bring y'all back in a little bit. All right, we're gonna get over here to the shaded side. Get this baby pulled off of here. I don't even know if y'all can fucking see. One, two, three. Now, as you can see, we got pretty easy access to the bushing. All right, so we got this out of the way. I don't know if it recorded the first part of everything that I was doing. It just said SD card error, so it probably didn't. It's fucking Wednesday. I'm working on these brown trucks. I've got 2 cab mount bushings to do on this one. I've already done the other side, and then I got to knock this one out. With the other side done, out of the way, on this side I had to remove that inside panel, which goes right here. 3 screws, one here, and one up here. So I got that out of the way. Now we got to get a 24, break this loose and these 2 loose. Once they're broke loose, my little baby 3/8 gun, we'll pull them bastards right out. So I'm gonna go get my 1/2-inch ratchet so we can get it fucking out. So this is my little setup here, 1/2-inch ratchet. Usually breaks it out. Sometimes it do, sometimes it don't. Come on. So, that hose is probably right in my fucking way. Oh well. There's one. Shit is so much easier when there's not a tire in the fucking way. Thank you. 2. Last. Please. easy. Fuck it, sometimes you gotta grab a bigger gun. Alright. This is the gun I use whenever I'm not asking the bolt to come out. Just fucking pure telling it. Now we have to get a board set up that'll come under this mount right here. Go all the way down, put my floor jack it up, slide this beast out. Alright, we got the board set up on the jack. So now, find a way to hold this son of a bitch still. Woo, that's scary. Be a little safer. Doesn't really matter if it is or not, I'm still fucking doing it. Yeah, oh, didn't even have to pry on that one, it just dropped right out. There's our bushing. This one's actually not that bad of shape. There we go. Now we just wait for the new one to get here. So, you'll stay tuned, I'll keep you posted. Well, found out why the windshield washer ain't working. Our hose is broke. So, let's see if we have some new windshield washer hose. Get that put back together. Get a new 7-way put on, and then I got to look at the adaptive cruise on this one, so we'll look at this one at the same time and go from there. Alright folks, I got the new body mount, so I got it set in place. Got the 2 lower bolts started, so I need to get this baby dropped down. That way it sets in there and I can get that long bolt through. So, gotta figure out a way to do this. Man, everything is in y'all's fucking way. Fuck it, I'll bring y'all back. Alright, that's it for the body mounts. She is buttoned up. Ow. So now all I gotta do is just put this little piece back on. This motherfucker started. I'll get this motherfucker started. Wherever it is, I can't feel it. Should be a hole up here somewhere. Right there it is. And just hit that bitch with a bottle. So ready for fucking winter. don't understand why everybody loves summer so much. It's so fucking hot. I guess they don't have to fucking work out in it. Son of a bitch, the socket is hot as fuck. I don't know, if an ice age came and there was no more fucking summers, I'd be fucking happy. Probably die, but I'd be fucking happy. This fucking heat is ridiculous every fucking summer. Ugh. Let's get all this shit put up. And then we'll get this truck, this first truck here, spun around. Which means we gotta move that second truck. Oh, I didn't film none of that shit. We had a problem with the windshield washers weren't spraying. So it's got a plastic hose that runs from this T all the way over there and up to here. And I just replaced the hose. Oh, I did. The 7-way connector was fucked up. So that one's done, with the exception of the ABS shit. I still gotta look at that. Talked to the supervisor here on site. He said he's not gonna hold the unit up for ABS issues or traction control issues or whatever the fuck it is. Cruise control. So let's do what we can do and know when to call it quits. Fucking floor jack is heavy. Oh, yeah. One, two, three. The fuck in now. Throw all this shit in the bed of the truck. And we don't forget about it on the tailgate. Lose that shit on the highway. Have to go find their trash can, throw this shit away. So make sure we didn't leave nothing back there. Whew. Fuck, it's hot. I'll bring y'all back here shortly. Alright, so this is that same truck I did the hood mounts on. I was turning it around to check the cruise control faults, and I felt some popping. I don't know if you can see that. Drive line's freaking loose there. Let's see if I can get this to move for you. You can see it's actually tweaking right here. So we need a new yoke and a new drive line. Plus this U-joints may have to be replaced. I'd go ahead and replace it, but definitely the yoke, forward drive line, rear U-joint. Fun shit. me let the customer know. Feels good laying on the ground under here. So, damn it, that fucking sucks. Yeah, let me see what he says. I'm gonna go ahead and get the ABS, or not ABS, cruise control fault to go out. Tell him about this, see what he wants to do. I'll bring y'all back shortly. Hey guys, this is the end of the day for me. Both these brown trucks that had ABS lights on them, I connected to them, and neither one of them are seeing the radar. I spoke with the customer and found out if he wants me to dig deeper into it. He said no. He said if cruise control is working or not, it's fine. The trucks can run without cruise control. So I did notice on the other unit that I was looking at, the one with the cab bushings, that the U-joint on the forward differential was bad, carrier bearing, the yoke coming out of the carrier bearing, and the mesh, the spline for the drive line was no good. So I informed him of that. He's going to get all that stuff ordered up. This one here, we got the 7-way cable replaced. We got the windshield washer fluid hoses repaired. Made sure that everything's working. We got power everywhere. So both of these trucks, everything I had to do to them is done. Logged enough time. It's hot as hell today. My truck is only reading 109, which it feels like it should be reading a lot more than that outside. But I'm done for today. It's 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, so I'm gonna head out of here, go home, get cleaned up, and get this video ready for y'all. So y'all have a good day. If y'all like any of this stuff, I know it gets old as fuck trying to say this to everybody, but subscribe, leave a comment. I don't give a shit what you do. The more subscribers we get, the more people it reaches. I'm just doing this for fun right now. I mean, it does take a lot of time out of my day to film one of these videos. Trying to get the camera set up, you know, it not get in my way is probably the hardest part. Usually anywhere I put this fucking thing, it's gonna get in my way. Plus sometimes it doesn't want to work right. Sometimes it wants to record in fucking time lapse when I want it to record in 4K. So, but y'all have a good day. It's hot, I'm stressed, I'm going home, get relaxed. Y'all will see me tomorrow.